watching Kentucky Ballistics, and today we're going to have some fun with a Winchester model 1897 trench shotgun. I've wanted to try one of these things out for a very long time, and I'm very excited to have some fun with this thing. So let's go get set up and get started. Ah! All right, first things first, let's just shoot this thing. I like that. Oh dear, I seem to have lost my bayonet. It's so weird because this thing is definitely an authentic Winchester model 1897. It's definitely not some cheap knockoff or something like that. I wonder if this thing will slam fire. It will slam fire, but it appears my bayonet does not like this gun. It just wants to get away from it. It keeps falling off. Other than that, it's pretty stinking cool. We got one shell left. Watch out, Greg! Okay, I think I got this bayonet on here a little better. Let's try it out. Yeah! Ah! 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 Oh, would you look at that? Survivors! Oh, unacceptable! There went my bayonet again. I like the gun. I don't really like the bayonet. It's too bad I didn't get my start in firearms technology and gunsmithing at SDI. But if you want to, you can click the link in the description down below. Yeah, I think I fixed it. Holy moly! You already broke! Okay, up next, we're gonna shoot some pineapples. Haven't shot these in quite a while. Let's see if we can slam fire this thing. Not very accurate. Let me try again. Keep a pocket full of ammo. So always make sure you take them out before you wash your clothes. A pocket full of shotgun shells in the dryer is not a good thing, believe me. And looks like my duct tape is holding up pretty good. That bayonet's on there pretty good now. I wonder about that. Oh! That thing made it through that bulletproof glass pretty easy. I wonder if I can pop a tire with it. Yeah! Yeah! Get the front one too. Oh! All right, there's something I've always wanted to do, and that is shoot something that is very energetic and messy inside a car. So I have 1 gallon of cocktail sauce, and I have 1 gallon of ranch dressing. I'm gonna stick them in this car with a GoPro, shoot them, and see what happens. Ranch. Man, I should call him. Okie dokie. Let's go for the ranch dressing first. Look at this. Oh man, that is nasty. Oh, the GoPro's gone. I guess it fell off. Yeah, there it is right there. Oh man, buddy. Gross. Now for some cocktail sauce. Oh! 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 Look at that! Look at all this. This on the seats, it's so bad. It smells so bad. Oh, where's the GoPro's good. Oh, what's up? Yeah, that is gross. Up next, I have one of the most wretched pieces of vegetation, an eggplant, and nobody likes eggplant. Oh man, oh, we got a survivor. Okie dokie. Up next, I have some applesauce. I've never shot this on the channel before, so I'm curious to see how it reacts. You know what? I am kind of thirsty, so, you know, bottoms up. I don't think you can chug applesauce. Hold on. Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna stick to shooting it. Oh! That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun with that trench shotgun. What did you think about it? Let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to check me out on all other social media platforms. Links to those can be found in the description down below, along with a link to KentuckyBallistics.com, just in case you want to pick up a shirt. And as always, my name is Scott. Thank you so much for watching Kentucky Ballistics, and I'll see you next time.